Non-fat Greek yogurt can help women speed their metabolism, preventing and reversing weight gain via increased muscle protein synthesis. Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Update. I'm Dr. James Meschino. You know, as we get older, our bodies secrete lower amounts of anabolic hormones, which then allows our muscle tissue to break down. This not only makes us weaker and less functional, but it also slows our metabolism down. You see, muscle tissue consumes a lot of fuel just to keep itself alive each day. As you lose muscle tissue after age 30 or 35 years of age, metabolism begins to slow, which makes it much easier for you to gain weight as fat mass tends to increase as your muscle tissue tends to get broken down and your metabolism slows down. So a major key to lifelong weight management success is to preserve your muscle tissue as you age and to regain some muscle tissue if your metabolism has already slowed down and you've already gained some weight as a result of a slowing metabolism. So this brings me to an important study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in February of 2018. The study examined the effect of dairy protein on muscle tissue gains in healthy older women who were 65 to 75 years of age. So these are women who had really already experienced a slowing of their metabolism, their anabolic hormones were low. They got 15 grams of dairy protein twice a day. So the study showed that providing older women with 15 grams of dairy protein twice daily for a number of weeks increased their muscle tissue. Their muscle protein synthesis was turned on significantly compared to those who were consuming the same amount of protein, but from other food sources. See, the reason that dairy protein is so effective at increasing muscle tissue is that it contains a high amount of the amino acid known as leucine. Now, the presence of leucine in dairy protein stimulates a key pathway in muscle protein synthesis known as the mTOR pathway. Once stimulated by leucine, the mTOR pathway instructs muscle tissue to absorb available protein that you ingested and synthesize it into new muscle protein. In turn, this increases your muscle tissue, which increases your metabolism and also helps to improve your strength, which is something that's important to maintain as you get older, just so you can perform everyday tasks as you get, into advancing years. So what dairy protein source is the best one to consider? Well, from my standpoint, that's an easy question to answer. And the answer is non-fat Greek yogurt. So why do I say that? Well, non-fat Greek yogurt contains 15 to 20 grams of protein in just 6 to 8 ounces, and it's very high in the amino acid leucine, which turns on muscle protein synthesis. It has almost double the amount of protein as other types of yogurt. Low-fat Greek yogurt is also very low in carbohydrates, sugar, fat, lactose compared to other types of yogurt, and it has a much higher concentration of probiotics for improved gut health and digestion. So 2 servings a day of a non-fat Greek yogurt also provides about 400 milligrams of calcium, which is about half the recommended amount to help maintain or preserve your bone density, another consideration for women who are getting older to prevent osteoporosis. So if you want to prevent or reverse a slowing of your metabolism as you get older, the research shows that you should strongly consider including 2 6 to 8 ounce servings per day of non-fat Greek yogurt into your daily fare. Now, if you add some resistance and cardio training into the mix, then you can really speed up the results, reducing your body fat and increasing your muscle tissue and your muscle tone at a much faster rate. So I've included the research reference in the text below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.